One of the necessary but somewhat frustrating things that new parent talks about burping their babies, it raises all sorts of questions, including how to, when to, what if there is no burp. That's why I made this video to help at home newborn care. This video covers burping techniques. Hi, I'm Clary Mendoza, a caregiver student from SAS and Lucena. For today's return demonstration is how to burping baby. Burping your baby isn't easy, so I demonstrate the two burping techniques over the shoulder at the seat on the lap. Remember that the reason to burp your baby is to release gas. This is the air that the baby taken in during a feeding. Babies feel better after burping, and the activities help stimulate the baby for the over-the-shoulder technique. You can either do this sitting or standing. Try them both and see which work is best for you and your baby. Or you can alternate sitting and standing. Okay, to start, hold the baby up to your chest so the baby is facing toward you, with your arm tucked under the baby's bottom for support. If you want to put a burping cloth over your shoulder in case the baby spit up. And also, use your dominant hand to gently but firmly. Okay. Pat your baby's back between the shoulder, working your own way up and down. Like this. And you can also rub the baby's back after several pats. After a while, you get to know your baby. You learn that breastfed babies tend to burp less because they take in less air, and bottle-fed baby and sometimes baby don't burp at all, which is perfectly normal. Burp your baby for about minutes and then continue feeding. If your baby is crying, try standing or rocking your baby or talking to your baby. Okay, now, for the second technique is where your baby is sitting in your lap. Okay, now, placing burp clothes in my legs, and the position is like this. Okay, you can use your other leg with the facing either way. Notice that one baby open hand is holding the baby's jaw. The forefinger and thumb are used as a sort of wedge with palm supporting the chest using firm but gently pressure tilt, and if your baby spit up, just wipe and continue again. Okay? Use your dominant hand to gently and firmly pat your baby's back, wearing your way up and down. As we mentioned, we can rub your baby again. Like this. Okay, now, after we finish to burp our baby, many people say, how often to burp your baby? Burp your baby after feeding at each breast, but if you have express milk, try halfway through and again after feeding. You may notice that if your baby fuses when feeding, it may indicate the need to burp. Be patient as you learn what your baby needs and like. Burping your baby that gives you hand-on contact as you touch, hold, and talk with your baby. All of this add to the bonding experience of mother and baby. And hope this video can help, and thank you for watching.